Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making a blue and white bento cake for an order. These are the ingredients and tools we are using for today's cake order. We have our turntable, the cake box, my Perfect American Buttercream Frosting, sprinkles, and among some other very needed cake decorating tools. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To begin, we will cut our rectangular cake into 2 halves. Then apply my Perfect American Buttercream Frosting to the cake layers with the aid of the offset spatula and a piping bag. First, we'll pipe a border all around the edges of both cakes and then smear some of the frosting in the middle since we'll be using and adding in some ice cream for the cake. And this will prevent the ice cream from soaking the cake when it is added into the middle parts of both cake layers. When that is done, I will place the vanilla ice cream into the middle of the frosted cake layer with the aid of an ice cream scooper and then spread it evenly with the offset spatula. Then place the second frosted cake layer on the first filled and frosted one, and then I'll crumb coat both cake layers nicely with the frosting. After that, I will pick up the rolled fondant with my hands, which I have already written on with the alphabet press sets the inscription "Happy Birthday Papi and Love You" as the customer requested me to do. So I will cut the excess parts off to fit the size needed for the top of the cake. Now I will lift and place on the fondant and then begin piping rosettes, stars and other beautiful designs with the aid of the 1M, 1B and other small piping tips that we are using today. As I pipe on the cake with the first dark blue shade or dark blue color, I will also pipe on 2 other cupcakes with the same frosting and set them aside. So I will use that same process to pipe the light or sea blue frosting and the white frosting as well. I will then go dust the inscription message on the fondant that you've placed on top of the cake to make it more visible. Then I will now lift and place the cake in the cake box in the side that we cut out to form the box shape. And I'll arrange the cupcakes as well according to how I want them to look. Please, as you are watching the video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Don't just watch the video. Subscribe and help us grow the channel. It helps me a lot. Finally, I will add some sprinkles to both the main cake and then the cupcakes. Then I will place 3 golden love-shaped chocolate designs on 3 of the cupcakes to create this nice design according to this inspo on the side of the screen you are watching now. And this is the final look of the cake. So we will add a candle, close the box, add the business sticker, our ribbon for gift wrapping, and this is the end product. You can order from us to deliver on this same beautiful design for you, and I promise you are going to love it, because pairing my vanilla cake layers with this Perfect American Buttercream Frosting is something you are going to love. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This year, I would like you to try every recipe that we post on the channel and then give me feedback in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification icon with the inscription all, so that every Thursday and Sunday if we post new videos, you will find it. And we post short videos from Monday to Sunday, so you can check that out as well. Follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube by subscribing. Help us to grow this channel. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.